Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods or starving yourself? If you're serious about achieving permanent fat loss and a complete health transformation while eating tasty meals like ribeye steak with roasted garlic and butter,
get your custom keto diet by click link in the description box below. An asteroid passed within less than 900,000 miles of the Earth. An asteroid flying through space at 65,000 miles per hour came within less than 1 million miles of Earth, according to NASA. The 790 feet space rock, which is about the same length as 2 football pitches, passed us safely at 1:42 p.m. GMT. The asteroid is called UN-12. It passed within 893,305 miles of us, or about 4 times the distance between Earth and the Moon. Any object traveling within 120 million miles of Earth is classed as a near-Earth object by NASA, which monitors them closely. It was the second asteroid to pass Earth today. The earlier one, called UH-1, came within 2,265,333 miles of the Earth and was 285 feet tall. It passed at 3:36 GMT. Another asteroid will make a trip past the Earth at 6 p.m. GMT this evening. The smaller asteroid, called VX, is only 170 feet tall and will pass more than 975,000 miles from the Earth. NASA knows of no asteroid or comet currently on a collision course with Earth, so the probability of a major collision is quite small, the space agency told The Sun. In fact, as best as we can tell, no large object is likely to strike the Earth anytime in the next several hundred years. However, according to the European Space Agency, there are currently 878 asteroids at risk of hitting the Earth in the next 100 years. The agency added that an impact by even a small asteroid could lead to serious devastation and to reduce the risks of a collision. As per NASA policy, any fast-moving space object within 4.65 million miles of Earth is considered to be potentially hazardous. Researchers have discovered most of the asteroids that are about 1 kilometer in size, but are now on the hunt for those that are about 140 meters, as they could cause catastrophic damage. Although nobody knows when the next big impact will occur, scientists have found themselves under pressure to predict and intercept its arrival. Sooner or later we will get a minor or major impact, said Rolf Densing, who heads the European Space Operations Center, ESOC, in Darmstadt, ahead of International Asteroid Day on Friday. It may not happen in our lifetime, he said, but the risk that Earth will get hit in a devastating event one day is very high. For now, there is little we can do. And yet, the first ever mission to crash a probe into a small space rock to alter its trajectory suffered a major setback when European ministers declined in December to fund part of the project. We are not ready to defend ourselves as against an Earth-bound object, said Densing. We have no active planetary defense measures. Source: AFP.
would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods or starving yourself? If you're serious about achieving permanent fat loss and a complete health transformation while eating tasty meals like ribeye steak with roasted garlic and butter,
get your custom keto diet by click link in the description box below.